Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Math, Grade 1, Quarter 3, Week 1, Day 1. Our topic for today is about data and probability. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to collect data in one variable. Do you eat fruits? Answer: yes, we do. What fruits do you eat? We eat bananas, apples, mangoes, papayas, oranges, etc. Why do we have to eat fruits? Answer: we have to eat fruits to be healthy. Purpose: to collect data in one variable. Collect: to get things together. Example: I collect flowers from the garden. Data: the information we find or know. Example: our data shows how many fruits we like. Table: a chart that helps us see data clearly. Example: the table shows our favorite colors. Favorite: the thing you like the most. Example: my favorite fruit is mango. Class, today you will gather data or information. We will use this data in our next lesson on pictographs. Preparations. First, prepare 5 open boxes with 10 to 15 picture cards of each fruit: mango, apple, banana, avocado, and orange. B. Manila paper with the table shown below. Adjust the number of columns and rows according to the number of learners. So class, I will show you one box at a time. Tell me the name of the fruit in front of the box. After that, I will place the box on the table. Now, choose your favorite fruit from the 5 fruits. Get one picture card of your chosen fruit from the box and paste it in one cell of the table using masking tape. Example: favorite fruit of Grade 1 Rose learners. Collecting data 2. Favorite colors of Grade 1 Rose learners. Class, I will show you cards with different colors, one at a time. When I show a card, tell me the name of the color. Blue, yellow, red, green, and orange. Now, I will call some of you to tell us your favorite color from the 5 shown and explain why you like it. Preparations. A. 5 open boxes, each containing 10 to 15 circle cutouts in different colors. In front of each box, place a colored circle cutout and the name of the color. Blue, yellow, red, green, and orange. B. Manila paper with the table shown below. Adjust the number of columns and rows according to the number of learners. Class, choose your favorite color from the 5 shown. Get one circle cut out from the box of your chosen color and paste it into one cell of the table using masking tape. Make sure the cutouts are aligned properly in rows and columns. Example, favorite colors of Grade 1 Rose learners. I will divide you into 4 groups. Each group will receive a survey form. In the first column, write your name. Then, put a check mark under your favorite animal. Make sure you understand how to fill out the form correctly. Example, favorite animals of Grade 1 Rose learners. June, dog. Anna, bird. Max, fish. Ellie, dog. Leia, cat. Each group will post the results of your survey on the board. We will put all your answers together in the table provided. I have prepared picture cards of the animals, and one group at a time come to the front and paste the picture cards according to the data you collected. Make sure the cutouts are pasted neatly in line, both across and down. Another example, favorite animals of Grade 1 learners. How can we collect data? Answer, we can collect data by asking the preference of the person on a particular category. Learning Activity Sheet number 1. Ask your classmates about their siblings. Write the name of each member in the first column. Put a check mark in the appropriate box for each member's response. Example, number of siblings. Ali, more than 2 siblings. Sam, 1 sibling. Dan, no sibling. Rene, more than 2 siblings.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!